I bought and tested these loading ramps so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. I know how frustrating it can be to find the right equipment that gets the job done without breaking the bank. After trying out a variety of options, I'm here to share my honest experiences with the top 5 loading ramps. Let's dive in so you can find exactly what you need. Product number 1, FACHNUO 2 Feet Portable Wheelchair Ramp. When I first got the FACHNUO 2 Feet Portable Wheelchair Ramp, I was excited to see if it could really handle my needs as a temporary solution for my home entrance. We have a couple of steps leading to the front door, and I needed something practical for my scooter. Upon receiving the ramp, I was impressed with its lightweight design. Weighing just about 11 pounds, it was easy to carry around. The unfolded size of 24 x 29.2 made it fit perfectly on the steps. The first thing I noticed was the non-skid texture on the aluminum surface, which provided a reassuring grip. It felt secure as I wheeled my scooter up and down. The built-in handle made it easy to fold and store when not in use. One of the standout features is the safety baffles on the sides, which are great for preventing any accidental slips. They really give you peace of mind, especially if you're using it in low-light conditions, thanks to the reflective strips that enhance visibility. The only downside I found is that it's recommended not to use it on heights exceeding 6 inches, which can limit its applications in some situations. However, if you're within that range, it's a fantastic option. In terms of pros and cons, the ramp is incredibly lightweight and portable, making it easy to carry. The non-slip design offers excellent traction, and the safety features are top-notch with the reflective strips and baffles. On the downside, it has a maximum load capacity of 800 pounds, which might not be sufficient for everyone. Also, the ramp can slightly sink during use, but it rebounds quickly, which I found a bit concerning initially. Still, it didn't affect its functionality. So why should you consider the FACHNUO ramp? If you're looking for an affordable, portable solution to assist with accessibility, this ramp checks those boxes. It's built to last with high-quality aluminum and corrosion-resistant components, ensuring durability both indoors and outdoors. The ease of use and added safety features make it a worthy investment for anyone needing a temporary wheelchair ramp. Product number 2, Black Widow Plastic Car Service Ramps. Now let's talk about the Black Widow Plastic Car Service Ramps. When I first used these ramps, I was a bit skeptical because, let's face it, plastic ramps can sometimes feel flimsy. But these are surprisingly sturdy. They can lift vehicles up to 6.25 high and hold an impressive 10,000 pounds, which is incredible for doing maintenance on my truck right in the driveway. The ramps measure 35.5 long and 12 wide, making them suitable for various vehicles from cars to SUVs. Setting them up was a breeze. The lightweight design made it easy to position them where I needed them. I appreciated the internal support system that runs through the center of each ramp. It gives them added strength and helps distribute weight evenly. I've used them in various weather conditions, and I found that the grid design allows water, snow, and dirt to filter through, preventing any buildup that could lead to slipping. In terms of pros and cons, the ramps are incredibly durable for plastic, and they're lightweight, which makes them easy to handle. They fit a wide range of vehicles and provide a solid height for maintenance tasks. On the flip side, being plastic, they can get a bit slippery in wet conditions, so extra caution is advised. Also, they might be less stable if you're using them on uneven surfaces. So why should you buy the Black Widow ramps? If you do your own car maintenance or oil changes, these ramps are a must-have. They offer the convenience and safety you need without the bulkiness of metal ramps. Plus, they're affordable and easy to store, making them an excellent addition to your garage. Product number 3, VNN Portable Wheelchair Ramp 6FT. Next up is the VNN Portable Wheelchair Ramp, which stands out for its seamless design and 6-foot length. I was impressed with its ability to handle step heights from 6 to 18 inches, making it incredibly versatile. The first time I set it up, I was pleasantly surprised by how smooth the transition was from one surface to another. The seamless design is a game changer. It reduces the risk of tripping, which is vital for elderly users or those with mobility issues. Weighing in at 35.5 pounds, it's still manageable, and the aluminum construction gives it a robust feel without being overly heavy. The double non-skid surface is a significant improvement over other ramps I've used. It increased the friction and offered double protection against slipping, which gave me confidence while using it. The reflective warning stickers on the sides are also a thoughtful touch for added visibility. In terms of pros and cons, the VNN ramp is incredibly sturdy and well-built, which makes it great for regular use. The portability factor is also a plus as it folds up nicely for easy transport. However, it might be a bit bulky for some users when folded, and at a price point of over $300, it's definitely an investment. It also has a maximum weight capacity of 800 pounds, which, while sufficient for many users, might not meet everyone's needs. So why buy the VNN ramp? If you're looking for a durable and easy-to-use wheelchair ramp that provides a smooth transition, this is worth considering. It's especially useful for homes with higher thresholds or steps, enhancing accessibility for those who need it most. Product number 4, 72.5 Heavy-Duty Folding Loading Ramps. The next product on our list is the 72.5 Heavy-Duty Folding Loading Ramps from Aerogener. These ramps are designed for versatile loading, whether it's for motorcycles, ATVs, or lawn mowers. I was particularly intrigued by the heavy-duty construction and the impressive 1,500-pound combined weight capacity. The first time I used these ramps, I was impressed by the dense perforated surface that provides excellent traction. I loaded my ATV with confidence, knowing that the ramps wouldn't slip or cause any accidents. The included safety straps were a great addition. They kept the ramps securely in place while I loaded and unloaded my equipment. I also appreciated the protective gloves that came with the ramps for added safety during installation. On the downside, while they are relatively easy to carry at 17 pounds each, they are still a bit tricky to maneuver for one person if you're trying to set them up alone. Also, the ramps are relatively long, which can be an issue if you're working in tighter spaces. So why should you consider the Aerogener ramps? If you need a reliable and heavy-duty solution for loading various types of equipment, these ramps are an excellent choice. They combine safety features with solid construction, making them perfect for both home and professional use. Product number 5, Gorkit Bike Ramp. Finally, let's discuss the Gorkit Bike Ramp. This ramp is specifically designed for loading dirt bikes and ATVs onto pickup trucks, and I must say it does not disappoint. The first time I set it up, I was surprised by how lightweight it felt at just over 8 pounds. Its aluminum construction gives it the sturdiness needed to support a maximum load capacity of 440 pounds. The foldable design is particularly advantageous. It folds down to a compact size for easy storage in my truck. The non-slip perforated surface is a fantastic feature, especially when loading in wet conditions. My dirt bike has a wide tire and the ramp provided excellent traction, allowing me to load it without feeling like I was going to slip. The anti-slip pads on the underside help protect my truck's bed from scratches, which is a thoughtful detail. In terms of pros and cons, the Gorkit ramp is incredibly user-friendly and portable. It's perfect for those who need a quick solution for loading bikes or small equipment. However, it only supports a maximum weight of 440 pounds, so it may not be suitable for larger vehicles or heavier loads. Additionally, the ramp is quite narrow, which might be a concern for some users when loading wider vehicles. So why should you buy the Gorkit ramp? If you're an avid dirt bike enthusiast or need a reliable ramp for loading lighter vehicles, this is a cost-effective and practical solution. Its portability combined with its solid design makes it an excellent tool for anyone looking to enhance their loading experience. To wrap it up, each of these ramps serves a unique purpose, whether you're looking for something portable for wheelchairs, heavy-duty for vehicles, or lightweight for dirt bikes. My recommendations are based on personal experiences, and I hope this guide helps you find the right ramp for your needs. Investing in a good loading ramp can make a world of difference, so choose wisely.